We are looking to dig deeper and find the real Chinese culture, and I think I found it in Mulan.
What's your highlight today?
I like the popcorn guy.
Oh, I like him so much.
I think there's a big celebration. He brings his car. He has his factory in the back of the car.
Yeah.
Smiling guy, and he a true entrepreneur. My absolute favorite is this home.
Yes.
Coming in and out of the celebration, this nice friendly people, everyone smiling. Actually, the warm bed helped a lot.
Yeah.
And sitting out in the nice
Under the sunshine.
in the sunshine, and the late winter sunshine. Getting a tan.
Yeah.
He loved the beiju.
Beiju was amazing, and I didn't expect it to be like that. So when we entered the distillery, it was amazing. Everything, the craftsmanship, to be in this house, walk in and out, eat in the bed, the warm bed, sitting in the sunshine, having the massive party going on. I will have need some couple of days to recover my ears, but still amazing.
Yes. Yes.
But
The crackers were loud.
But in the end, it's all about the community and the people and the hospitality. That's been great.